Grandpa those kisses. Give him those kisses. Give him those kisses. Ooh, the kisses. Oh, Grandpa, she loves to give kisses. She loves to give kisses. Yes.
You too? They're all picking on me now?
Oh, look at the kisses. Yeah, they love those kisses.
Hey, leave me alone.
Pull those little hairs of Grandpa.
Hey. Leave me alone.
Kiss. 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 Kiss.
Leave me alone.
Kiss. Get him, Mama. Get him. Grandpa loves those kisses. Yeah, he does. Give him those kisses. Yeah. He does love those kisses.
Are you working for Tracy's Tat Laser Removal Clinic?
Yeah, yes.
Taking the
She
hair
is. She's removing your hair. Yeah.
That'd be a surprise for a customer.
She works for the Tats Hair Removal Company. What is she doing to you, Grandpa? I'll pick on your pants. Good, you love those white legs. Yeah, and you like those pants.
Hey. Why don't you go fly?
Don't tell them that. They'll do it. Where are you going? Where are you going, silly girls? Silly girls. Untie Grandpa's shoelace. Gonna get something that tastes better. Get something that tastes better. Yeah. Oh, here comes the other one. She wants to take her turn. Yeah.
All three of them?
All three of them give kisses to Grandpa. Kiss those legs. Pull on that hair. She says, I want some of that. I want some of that too.
Go pick on your grandma.
Grandma doesn't have shorts today. He has plenty of bugs on there, huh? Look at that. Those cute girls. Those cute girls. They just love the Grandpa. Oh, give him some more kisses. More kisses. Look at all those kisses. Yeah, all those kisses. No fighting. Everybody can take part in those legs. Grandpa's got big legs.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, let me see you. Let me see you fly. There's those big, beautiful wings. Yes. And who's making all that noise? Who's making that noise? Huh? Did Grandma squirt you? Yeah? I guess you're not gonna fly today. Here they are, cleaning again. Got into the clean water. And then they came out and started cleaning. The two older ones. There's the other one. Play in that water, play. Oh yeah, that water feels good. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Oh my goodness gracious. Play in the water, play. Play in the water. Go, mama, go. There you go, there you go. There you go. There you go. Play in that water. Oh my goodness, trying the wings. Trying the wings. My poor geranium in the background is all chewed up. They love the leaves. I only have this one now that's blooming. It's a little one. Play in that water. Play. Play, play.
Move over. She can't get out. We won't let her.
You're constantly grooming. This is really funny where they just put their little head underneath the wing, and when they're in the water they put one leg up and they have one leg down. So cute. You're just so pretty. Yes, you are. What? Where are the other ones? Where are your sisters? They're right here. Right here. Yeah. Stretching their wings and their legs. Eating.
Settle down a little.
Are you talking it over? What you gonna do next? Are you talking it over? Yeah, I think they're getting ready. The two older ones are in the pool. And the one that flew over the fence, she is just not getting it, how to go in. She's going back and forth, back and forth. Okay. And then she nibbles at the pool because she wants to get in. She'll get it. She'll get it in a minute. She's trying. She finally made it in.
Did you get it? You got good eyesight.
That one loves to kiss.
Hey,
She's just kissing and
my
kissing.
leg alone.
Yeah. She just loved it, Grandpa.
What are you doing to my leg? You're taking my hair off my leg.
She's a sweet baby. Yes, you got bugs on your legs, Grandpa.